Welcome to today's airport vlog. Today, we'll learn useful English you can use at the airport.
We'll practice real conversations from check-in to boarding the plane. Let's get started.
We've just arrived at the airport. The first thing we need to do is find the check-in counter.
That's right. Let's go check in our luggage and get our boarding passes. Good morning. May I see your passports, please?
Sure, here are our passports and e-tickets.
Please place your suitcase on the scale. Sure. I hope it's not overweight. Perfect. Your luggage is within the weight limit.
Great, thank you very much. We have our boarding passes now.
Perfect. Now let's go through security and find our gate.
We're one step closer to our trip. Before we go through security, we'll need to take our laptops and liquids out of our bags.
Oh, okay.
Then we'll walk through the security scanner and collect our things on the other side. Here's what we do next. We place our bags, laptops, and anything metal into the X-ray machine.
And then we walk through the scanner?
Exactly. After that, we collect our belongings and continue to our gate. Great! You walked through without any problem.
That was much easier than I expected.
Now let's collect our bags and head to the departure gate.
We still have some time before boarding. Would you like to get a coffee?
Sure. Airports always have great cafes. Let's grab a drink and relax for a while.
Then we'll be ready when it's time to go to our gate. Do you know what duty-free means?
Not really. What is it?
Duty-free shops sell certain products without some taxes, so items like perfume, chocolate, and cosmetics can sometimes cost less.
There are so many things here. What do you think we should buy?
The chocolates are popular gifts. Many people buy perfume because it's cheaper here.
Let's pick up chocolates and a nice perfume before we leave. Let's find our gate. What gate number is on our boarding passes?
It says Gate 12. We just need to follow the airport signs.
Great! Let's go. We still have time before boarding.
We made it to the gate with plenty of time. Let's take a selfie before we board.
Great idea. This will be a fun memory from our trip.
Say cheese!
That airplane looks like a Boeing. Boeing is one of the largest aircraft manufacturers in the world.
Really? They make many passenger planes.
That's interesting. I hope we get to fly on one someday. I hope I get the window seat.
Me too. I love watching the planes during takeoff. Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding passes, please?
Of course. Here are our boarding passes.
Thank you. Which row are our seats in?
Just follow the aisle and you'll find your seats on the left.
Is this the right place for my suitcase?
Yes. The overhead bin is for larger carry-on bags.
Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt before takeoff.
Good idea. It's one of the most important safety rules on a plane.
Now we're ready for our flight.
Would you like something to drink?
I'd like some orange juice, please.
And I'll have water, thank you.
Here's a useful English tip.
We say on the plane when we're inside it, but on the bus and on the train too. We usually say in the car.
It's a long flight. I'm gonna take a short nap.
Good idea. A little rest will help us feel fresh when we arrive.
We hope you learned some useful English expressions today.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson on Miss Easy English.